Good morning, friends. Today's topic is about opportunity. Opportunity arises, opportunity is created, opportunity is manifested. All the three reaches to opportunity, but all the three are different methods of getting an opportunity. The highest opportunity in the world is a baby, forms in mother's womb. There are n number of souls waiting to reborn. When one baby gets a chance out of million souls to reborn in this earth, it's the highest and greatest opportunity. You need to really be blessed with and thankful to the universe for having this opportunity. The second highest opportunity is there are millions of people are born every day and millions are dying every day. If you are awake, you are opening your eyes and seeing this beautiful world and the earth you are living in, you have an opportunity to live today, isn't it? So be thankful for this opportunity. Opportunity is not only based on monetary. It is not only monetary terms or status, or you get a job, you get a life partner, you get a business success, you get a biggest business proposal. Yes, all these are opportunities created by man, followed by man, and they are waiting for all these opportunities, and they forget all the beautiful opportunities they received. When you forget the opportunity, how will you value it? When you don't value it, you don't get a proper returns in that. When you really have got returns in that, that returns wouldn't have made any big adverse effect on you, because you did not think about that opportunity. A newly married couple waiting to buy a new house, go for a honeymoon international trip, buy a beachside resort. All these are opportunities. Both are working. Suddenly they have a baby confirmed. They are not so happy about this because this opportunity is not recognized by them. So they do not know the value of this. And they think what is their goals is their own opportunities. Right? So opportunities are there in everyday's life. It's even there for the baby. It's even there for the 68 years old person. You are having the beautiful opportunities. Only is not recognized, not valued, just because you never thought about it, you never dreamt about it, you never wanted it to happen. Or it was a secondary opportunity. But from the universe, that is the primary opportunity you are getting. So use your opportunity in a right way. Maybe in future videos we can speak about the other opportunities too. Thank you.